Alright, we got a 4Runner engine taken apart over here. We got a Jeep engine taken apart over here. And then now, I got a Subaru engine taken apart over here. I have 3 different manufacturers and 3 different engines, all taken apart at the same time. I am both killing the game and barely staying afloat simultaneously. Killing the game because I've got 3 different manufacturers' engines all at the same time after only having done 1 engine, yet I am barely staying afloat because I've got bolts over here, bolts over here, with my handy dandy little bolt chart over there, and then I've got loads of bolts over here. And I have to constantly remind myself what bolts go where, to what engine. Because if I forget where any of these bolts go, because they're 3 different engines at one time, if I forget what bolts go where, I am absolutely fucked.